was stretching endlessly till Tobago set me free. Where blue water meets white sand and the rainforest still stands. Something ancient in the air, like a living that's a prayer. Every mile I leave behind feels like I've been redesigned. Waterfalls calling my name, washing off the city rain. Island girl, take me home to Tobago where I belong. White sand under my feet, blue waves keeping the beat. Island girl, don't let go, let the whole world slow. Waterfalls fall like waves, joy is rising in this place. Through the forest as we roam, mangrove rivers guide us home. Eco paths beneath the sun, every heartbeat feels like one. Drum dries up with David's sound, heartbeat shaking the ground. Feel it echo through the night, fire under starlit light. Every road that led me here left behind the doubt and fear. Under skies open wide, there's no need to run or hide. Island girl, take me home where the wild hearts roam. White sand, blue water strong, sing that freedom song. Island girl, hold me near, there's no fear out here. Morning sun on my face, found my sacred place, and a smile in the dark, like a lantern in my heart. Soft as moonlight on the bay, guiding every step I take.